Good morning children. I hope class 7th children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing mensuration, already few questions we have done from exercise 20A. I hope all the questions you must have understood and rest of the question you might have started, few of you must have completed also. So today we are going to do question number 7. So let's see how we will solve this question, and rest of the question just you try to solve by yourself, otherwise we will not be having time to see each and every question. Just you find out similar questions and try to solve. Last day we had solved question number 6 and very similar question we have question number 7. So just you, if you remember, question number 6 was solved in this way. So if you have done, just you go through again and try to solve similar question you have of class, similar question you have of question number 7. So just you try to solve by yourself. Now we will see question number 8. So just you see how it is. Your question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are in the ratio of 5:3. If the total cost fencing it at rupees 24 per meter is rupees 9,600, find its length and breadth. So already I have solved these questions, so just you try to understand how it has been solved. First of all, before starting question, you need to know what things have been given. So here you see, it has been given the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land. Here you see length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land has been given in ratio. It means what? Suppose you see, suppose this is your land in rectangular shape. Suppose A, B, C, D is your land in rectangular shape, and in ratio length and breadth has been given. So suppose this is L and this is 5:3 has been given. Simply if in ratio it has been given, we need to assume length is, bigger one is length, so this you assume 5x, and breadth has been given, that is 3, so this is 3x. So in this way we need to assume, so length and breadth has been given, but that is in ratio, so L is equal to 5x and B is equal to 3x. This is B. Now if the total cost fencing it, again you need to understand fencing it means what? Suppose it is being fenced. So here you see, suppose this is your land and if fencing is required to be done, it means boundary is required to be done. So this is required to be started from here in this way, then this portion is required to be fenced, then this portion is required to be fenced, and this portion is required. So what you are doing, this L you are taking, B you are taking, again L you are taking, and B you are taking. So total length of the boundary, if you remember, that is perimeter. That is perimeter, and perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, if you remember the formula. L and L, 2L you have got, and B and B, 2B. So your formula will be perimeter is equal to 2L plus B, 2 into L plus B, and perimeter is what? Total length of the rectangular piece of land, or any shape, if that is either that is square or rectangle or whatever shape it is, total length of the boundary is called its perimeter. So their fencing is being done. So that cost has been given 9,600 for total length at the rate of 24 rupees per meter. So now how it has been solved, just you see, The total cost of fencing the land at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is equal to 9600. Therefore, perimeter of the land will be what? Means what length it is having, because 1 meter cost 9600. So, for how long it is taking 9600 we need to find out, and rate has been given. So simply what you need to do, you need to divide total cost by rate per meter. So this is 9600 divided by 24. So this, if you are simplifying, what you have got, 400 meter. So length of the boundary or area, length of the boundary which is required to be fenced, that is 400 meter you have got. So simply what we did, we found out the we got the perimeter. What we did, just we divided total cost by rate per meter, we got the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, as I told you, length and breadth has been given in ratio. So length will be 5x and breadth will be 3x. Therefore, according to question, perimeter we have got. So perimeter is equal to what? 2 into L plus B, and that is equal to 400. Just you see, in place of L we have put 5x, and in place of B we have put 3x. So 5x plus 3x is equal to 8x. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So 16x is equal to 400. And therefore x will be equal to 400 by 16. And if you are simplifying this, x is equal to 25 you got. So finally, we had to find out length and breadth. So length of the land is 5x. Just you see, length of the length of the land is 5x. So 5x is equal to 5 into 25, because 25x already we have got. X is equal to 25. So 5 into 25 is equal to 125. And breadth of the land is equal to 3x. It means 3 into 25. It means we have got 75. So finally our answer is 125 meter is length and 75 meter is our breadth. So in this way, again you find out similar questions, try to solve. But before solving rest of the questions, just you go through properly, try to understand, be confident first. You should be able to solve question by yourself, and when you will be able to solve question by yourself, if you are watching properly, learning properly, if you are understanding properly, then only you will be able to solve the rest of the questions. Just you find out similar question, try to solve, and whichever questions are left, just you try by yourself. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.